Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about convolution neural network, that is CNNs. CNNs are a powerful type of deep learning model. They help computers see the world like we do by analyzing images and videos. So whether it's recognizing a cat in a photo, detecting diseases in X-ray, or even powering self-driving cars. CNNs are the heroes behind the scenes. Let's take a journey into how CNNs work step by step in a very simple and clear way. So, a CNN is a kind of artificial neural network, but it's designed especially for visual data like images. Think of how your eyes work. When you look at a dog, your brain doesn't just see the whole dog instantly. First, it sees lines, then it notices shapes, then it figure out the details like four eyes or ears. Finally, your brain says this is a dog. CNNs do the same thing, but in a step by step digital way. They start with the basic and move towards understanding the full picture. Let's talk about the first step, convolution. The this is the what gives CNN their name. Imagine you have a magnifying glass and you are removing it over different parts of an image. This magnifying glass is called a filter or a kernel. The filter slides across the image looking at small parts like 3 by 3 or 5 by 5 areas of pixel. It picks out patterns like edges, corners, or textures. After scanning the whole image, it creates a new image called a feature map. This feature map shows where certain patterns appear in original image. So in simple terms, convolution helps the computer see important patterns. Now, so after convolution, we use something called pooling. Why? Because the features maps are still too big and have too much detail. Pooling helps make them smaller and simpler, but keeps the most important information. The most common type is max pooling. It takes small areas like 2 by 2 blocks and keeps the largest number in each. This helps keep strong features and ignore the noise. There is also average pooling, which takes the average of the value. Instead, this gives a smoother, less detailed version. Pooling also helps the CNN run faster and avoids problems like overfitting. Let's look at the full structure of CNN. It has several layers. We can see in the slide. First one is input layer, where raw pixel data. This is the original image, like a 28 by 28 or a 224 by 224 pixel image, for example. And then second is convolutional layer. These detect patterns using filters, just like detection. Convolutional layer is used for feature detection. Then third one is pooling layers. It is used for downsampling, just like this reduces the size of the feature maps. Then fourth one is fully connected layer. This combines all the features. Then fifth one is output layer. This gives the final result like cat or dog. It predicts the uh, given input image. Each layer has a role. As we go deeper into the network, the understanding become more abstract and complex. Okay, let's say yes. So let's say we are building a CNN to tell apart cats and dogs. The first layer finds simple things, lines, curves, edges. The middle layer finds eyes, ears, or tails. Then third one is final layers, recognizes full body shapes like a cat face or a dog's body. Just like we can see in this slide, there are multiple filters. Just like first one is I said that age detection. The first layer just like it detects simple things just like lines, curves, edges. It is done in the age detection layer. Then the very last layer gives us a prediction. For example, there is an 85% chance this is a cat, this is dog. We can see in this picture, this is not a clear image, but just like this picture, the output we can get. Yes, guys. Then here we are seeing that pulling layers. There are mainly two types. First one is max pulling and second one is average pulling. Pulling layers play a crucial role in reducing data dimensionality. They summarize information from feature maps. This process decreases computation and helps prevent overfitting. Max pulling and average pulling are common types. But max pulling and average pulling, there is a little bit difference. Max, we are going to see first of all max pooling. It selects the largest values from a filter windows. This retains the most prominent features. It is robust to small shifts. And average pooling, it calculates the average value within a window. This provides a smoother summarized representation. It can be less sensitive to noise. So next is yeah, here we can see the example of CNN. This is the image recognition with CNN. We can see here are some steps. CNNs are widely used for image classification tasks. Imagine a CNN learning to distinguish between cats and dogs. Early layers identify simple features like edges. Deeper layers, deeper layers combine these into complex shape. The final layer makes the classification. So here is the first step is raw input image. Second is low level features. Third is mid level features. Fourth is high level features. And last one is the final classification. Suppose we are taking two pictures that as an input. First one is cat image and second one is first one is cat image. So it in the second, so it is the first step, and then in this second step it detects the line, curves, and some basic structures, and just like ages vagera it finds, and in mid-level features it identifies ears, eyes, legs, just like this, and in the second last level, it recognizes full object shape, the body shape of a given image, uh, where we give the image of a dog or cat, and finally it predicts the image of dog or cat we have given as an input and gives the output of it. Then next, yes, conclusion. The power of CNN. So CNNs are inspired by how we see the world. So To wrap up it, they learn patterns from simple to complex. They are used everywhere, from social media filters to research. In the future, CNNs will become even more advanced. They may help us to solve problems we can't even imagine today. If you are learning AI, understanding CNNs is a must. So, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching today. If you are learned something new, please like the video, subscribe the channel, and share it with your friends. Today, because of some health issue, my voice is not clear. It's breaking down. So please try to understand, and comment below if you want more videos like this. See you in next lecture. Bye bye, guys.